Hi everyone, it's Madison here again, and we are going to talk about assistive technology for dexterity. So dexterity is more of the use of your fingers and your hands to grab things, and just, a lot of people have this with arthritis or just limited mobility. And so we're gonna wait 10 seconds so everybody can get ready, turn your sound up, and get your captions ready. All right, so today we're going to talk about two more assistive technologies to help with limited dexterity or loss of dexterity. These are just going to be like small everyday things that you can use around your house to make everything go a little more smoothly. All right. Issues with dexterity. All right, dexterity is defined as physical, especially manual skill or nimbleness. Skill or adroitness in using the hands or body, especially with agility. So we're going to focus on hand usage today. Limited use of hands from carpal tunnel or arthritis, which means trouble grabbing, holding, twisting, moving, anything like that. This barrier around living at home, it seems a little smaller because I'm focusing just on the hands, but it's actually really important. When you have a loss of dexterity in your hands, you're not able to do like little things like grabbing a pen and writing, or playing cards or using a TV remote. So we're going to look at two little things that we can work on with our two assistive technologies today. It will help everyday life in your home go a little smoother. All right. Assistive technology for dexterity. We're going to look at an electric can opener, which I know has been out on the market for a while, but we're going to look at it and then talk about it in our discussion of what you guys think. And then this new thing that I found called a sock aid. It's the BIOS Living Sock Aid. Both of these are available at Bed Bath & Beyond. You can always find them on Amazon. I have attached the links to these products in our lecture notes page on our module. So let's get started. We're going to talk about the Hamilton Beach Extra Tall Electric Can Opener with SURECUT Opening Technology. So I chose this one because it's large. I know there's so many varying sizes of cans. You have, your large cans for, crushed tomatoes or whole cut tomatoes if you're making sauces. You have your regular sized cans, and then you have your smaller tins for like tuna or, cat food, dog food, whatever. This, there's no twisting involved, which you have manual can opener. You clamp it down and then you have to twist. And this is a hard motion twisting like this when you can't exactly bend your fingers all the way. So with this one, you plug it in and you pop it on there, and you pop the little metal piece onto the can, and then you click the button, and then it just twists it for you, takes the can off, and then holds it there. And I picked this because it does have easy storage. You can unplug it, unwrap it up, put it in your cabinet safely away, just like, a mixer or any other tool that you have in your kitchen. Hands-free operation, so you're not overbearing on your fingers and you're not putting any strain on them. So if you do have problems with dexterity long term, this is something that'll just take the ease off of your fingers. It's not going to fix it, but it kind of moves you around a typical thing that would hurt your hands. And then this one I'm very interested in. I want you guys to try it. It is low cost, and you can find it at your Bed Bath & Beyond or on Amazon. It's called the BIOS Living Sock Aid. It helps you put your socks on if you have trouble bending down or grabbing your socks, and pulling them up. This BIOS Living Sock Aid makes it easier to put your socks on for people who have difficulty bend down, struggling, or with other flexibility problems. It is also very helpful for people who are challenged by arthritis from dressing. So like, grabbing, as I said. This sock aid might not be for everyone. I've looked at a few reviews online, and they are on and off about the use of it. If it makes it easier to put on, if the struggle is worth it, to get learning. So if you're interested in using this and you're not as dexterous as you once were, I suggest having a friend or a family member work with you to try it at first and see if this is something you want. But next we are going to watch a video of a man using a sock aid. So we're going to watch this together.
Place the sock aid between your legs. Bunch the sock up as if you would a stocking. Then slide it onto the tip of the sock aid. Pull the sock up over the sock aid, stopping just before the knots on either side. Drop the sock aid to the floor while holding on to the rope handles. Slide your foot into the sock aid and pull the handled ropes back and up so that the sock slides up over your heel. You can shorten the ropes by wrapping them around your hands once or twice if necessary. If your feet tend to perspire, use baby powder on the foot or inside of the sock aid to assist the foot with sliding.
All right, and that is the end of our lesson today. I want you guys to go on and do our discussion and talk about what you think about the sock aid. Is this something that you think you might want to try? Is this something that you need? Tell me about the electric can opener. Is this something that you've used before, thought was unnecessary? Would you try it now? Is this something that you want to try to learn before your hands do get too bad? Just give me some information and I will talk to you guys soon. Have a great day.